Anything bad at the cells? Yeah, Joey's gone. And the whole gate is destroyed. And Megan is missing from the interrogation room, too. However, Mr. Andrews and Rick are still there, so it's clear that they are not with Trailblazer. So what happened with you guys? A few injuries, but thankfully no one's dead. And ambulances are on the way. So what do we do now? Right now, everyone should try to salvage anything they can. Ryan, your sister might have some important information. Get her over here as soon as possible. Sir, with all due respect, I just sent her home. And besides, after her experience, it might be better if we go to her. Fine, then let's get going. Thanks, man. I was getting bored in that prison cell. Alright, listen up. You two are the only members I have left, so we need to be more careful with our next crime. Ooh, what are we stealing this time, honey? Sorry for interrupting, but did she just call you honey? I've clearly missed some stuff. Joey! Now, our next crime is gonna be the big one. We're gonna hit my brother harder than ever before. We're gonna rob his vault. Ryan! It's nice to see you too, Claire. Mind if we come in? Nope. Make yourselves at home. Hello, Claire. My name is Keith Harrison, Chief of Police for Lego City. We've come to talk to you about that incident. Yeah, okay. Firstly, when you talked to Ryan on the phone, did you see where he took you? Not really. I was blindfolded most of the time. However, I think it was south of the park. It also felt a bit chilly, and when he spoke it was a bit echoey. So the building was big and empty with no heating, so probably abandoned, and to the south of the park. Thanks to So who was that guy, and what did he want with me? He goes by the name Trailblazer. He is a criminal that has been attacking his brother, Jack Andrews' company. Your brother, Ryan, has been working with me to stop him, but unfortunately, he decided to use you as a hostage in order to free some of his criminal partners that we previously captured. Make sense? I guess so. In simpler terms, bad guy took you to free other bad guys. Oh, so am I still in danger? Not likely, but it might be best if you went somewhere safer for a bit, just in case. Can I stay with you guys, perhaps? I think we have enough civilians on our hands right now. Back in the day, she and I worked together to solve mysteries. We might be able to find Trailblazer faster with her help. Fine. Now let's get going. We're not gonna find him by sitting around. Is he normally like that? Yeah, pretty much. Now come on, let's get going. Thank you so much for the clothes, Megan. I hated that prison outfit. Yeah, whatever. Alright, so just to be clear, you want us to rob the most secure bank in the city? The country, actually. Even better. This is gonna be so much fun. We have a lot of planning to do first. So, what do we know about the vault so far? The vault is underground, with only one way in or out. In its way are a bunch of armed guards. The door can only be opened with Mr. Andrews' fingerprint, retinal scan, voice activation, keycard, and key code. Not trying to be a party pooper, but how are we getting in then? I have an idea, but I'm gonna need a few things that are hard to get. Just tell me where they are, and I'll get them. I know you will, honey. Hey, Kobe. Is Ryan back yet? No, not yet. Why do you ask? Oh, no reason. I'm just a little worried, that's all. Don't worry. He'll be fine. I know. It's just, after his sister was kidnapped, it made me realize that it could have been him, or even me in that situation. Well, this is a dangerous business. Are you sure you can handle it? Maybe. I don't know. I just want Trailblazer behind bars for what he did to me. But do I need to be here? I mean, what do I bring to the team? I didn't want to tell you this, but Ryan told me that you being here is the only thing keeping him from leaving. Really? Yep. And besides, we need your bank and computer skills. If it weren't for you, Joey and Megan wouldn't have gotten captured at all. Yeah, you're right. Whoa, what happened here? Trailblazer attacked us so he could free those companions we were talking about earlier. Ryan, go tell everyone to meet me at my office. Yes, sir. Everyone, Ryan's sister Claire has joined our team. Now, I know that Trailblazer has a big lead over us, so I need everybody working at their hardest to find out anything you can. Where he is, what his next plan is, anything you can. Ryan, you and Allison work on finding him. Claire and Kobe, find out what he's up to. Charlie and Kyle, work on supplies and anything else that needs to be done. Chop chop, guys. Alright, that's everything we need. Not quite. We still need one more thing. Right, I forgot about him. Are you sure he's still over there? Positive. Great. Meet me back here with him ASAP. Will do, honey. So, do you have any idea where he may be? Well, you're the location expert. What's that? I don't know. Something must be wrong.
Attention, this is Chief Harrison. Someone has broken into the station and kidnapped Mr. Andrews. I repeat, someone has broken into the station and kidnapped Mr. Andrews. This is a code red.
Mr. Andrews has been kidnapped? Well, that can't be good. Come on, let's go check it out. Hey, stop right there. Get back, Allison. Did she go out the window? I don't know. It's a long drop to the ground. Darn, they got away. Hey, there's a rope here. This was a thought-out plan. So what does Trailblazer want with his brother?